Hi guys, good morning for me. Hello, welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. So today we're on my phone, old school. The camera I normally use to record now, I forgot to charge up when I ran out of time, so we're having to do it the old-fashioned way. Yeah. Anyway, we're in my office today. I don't know if we've ever been in here before. Good as place as any, I guess. The questions are still going to be the same. Anyway, I hope you're all well. How have you been? The weather this week's been okay. Well, why do I always talk about the weather? I think that's a British thing, right? We always talk about the weather. Anyway, the sun is beautiful right now. The sky is blue. It's nice. We had our big quiz this week in the Outside In. That was really good. It's always nice when no one sort of questions your answers to the questions. And when it happens, you feel a bit like, and you get your phone out and quickly Google what you've already Googled, but you're double checking. But that didn't happen this time, so that was nice. But yeah, it was good fun. So the next quiz is on the 10th of November. I think we've got, oh no, we are fully booked. We did get fully booked that night. So yeah, sorry guys. Christmas quiz here is fully booked as well. That's on the 6th of December. And then there's a Christmas quiz at the Dolphin on the 15th of December. If you want to come to that, I'm hosting that one as well. But call the Dolphin and they'll get you booked in. But so yeah, happy days. Christmas party stuff, it's all on the websites, guys. If you want to know what we're doing at Christmas, I know it's 10 weeks today. I mean, it's not long. It's really not long. But yeah, have a look on the Dolphin website, the Parrot website, find out what we're doing. Get booked up for Christmas parties and what have you. Awesome. Half term's coming up as well. Unreal, really, considering the kids have just gone back to school. But obviously it's going to be busy times for us, so again, make sure you book your tables. Again, you can do that on the websites. You can get gift vouchers on the websites. They're brilliant places to go. But anyway, so it's here for the Parrot Puzzler. Let's do it. 20 questions. Let's go. Question 1. Who was the author of Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? Question 2. What is the name of the planet where Superman comes from? Question 3. What is the common name for the plant digitalis? Question 4. What is the name of the tiger from the kids' classic, The Jungle Book? Question 5. Bodmin Moor can be found in which county? Question 6. What name is given to the person who steers a rowing boat? Question 7. Where did football's World Cup take place in 2006? Question 8. What is the name given to the layer underneath the Earth's crust? Question 9. Nigel Mansell is a former world champion of which sport? Question 10. The Brandenburg Gate can be found in which city? Number 11. What flavour is the liqueur Archer's? And question 12. Who was the composer of Swan Lake? Question 13. Which Sunday newspaper was Piers Morgan editor of? Question 14. What is 17 multiplied by 6? Question 15. In the musical film Flashdance, what other job does the dancer have? Question 16. If you were born on the 1st of December, what would your star sign be? Question 17. Which James Bond film did Duran Duran sing the title song for? Question 18. In which film franchise would you find the character Boba Fett? Question 19. Who was the first female to fly solo across the Atlantic? And question 20. What is unusual about stargazy pie? That's it, guys. That is the 20 questions. Very quick quiz this week. Let's find out how you got on. I never really can tell. But yeah, whilst you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, share with your friends. That would be amazing. Thank you, thank you. And don't forget, you can listen on ABC Radio as well every Sunday morning. It's probably on about now as I'm recording this. So yeah, have a listen. But we'll get through to the answers now. Question 1. Who was the author of Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? It was Ian Fleming, the same person who wrote James Bond. Question 2. What is the name of the planet where Superman comes from? It's Krypton. Question 3. What is the common name for the plant digitalis? It's a foxglove. Question 4. What is the name of the tiger from the oh my days. It's early for me. What is the name of the tiger from the kids' classic, The Jungle Book? It's Shere Khan. Question 5. Bodmin Moor can be found in which county? It's in Cornwall. Question 6. What name is given to the person who steers a rowing boat? It's coxswain. Question 7. Where did football's World Cup take place in 2006? It was in Germany. Question 8. What name is given to the layer underneath the Earth's crust? It is the mantle. Question 9. Nigel Mansell is a former world champion of which sport? Formula 1, I guess he's most known for, but he was also world champion in IndyCar World Series as well. So happy days. Well done, mate. Question 10. The Brandenburg Gate can be found in which city? It's in Berlin. Question 11. What flavour is the liqueur Archers? It's peach schnapps. Question 12. Who was the composer of Swan Lake? It's Tchaikovsky. Question 13. Which Sunday newspaper was Piers Morgan editor of? He was the News of the World. He was the youngest editor the News of the World ever had. He was also editor of the Mirror at some point, but the Sunday paper is News of the World. Question 14. What is 17 multiplied by 6? It's 102. Question 15. In the musical film Flashdance, what other job does the dancer have? She was a welder. Question 16. If you were born on the 1st of December, what would your star sign be? You would be a Sagittarius. And question 17. Which James Bond film did Duran Duran sing the title song for? It was A View to a Kill. Question 18. In which film franchise will you find the character Boba Fett? It's Star Wars. Question 19. Who was the first female to fly solo across the Atlantic? It was Amelia Earhart. And question 20. What is unusual about stargazy pie? It has fish heads poking out of the top of the pastry. There's a pie with like whole pilchards in. I think traditionally it's pilchards with potato and egg. But yeah, the heads of the fish stick out of the pastry of the pie, looking up to the stars. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's your 20 questions. Please let me know how you got on. Scores and comments below. Sorry for the dodgy filming. I don't really know where to look at on my phone. But anyway, we'll be back to normal next week. I'll get everything sorted. But yeah, thanks very much, guys. Have fun, be good, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.